Imagine a world where remote villages preserve food and vaccines without conventional electricity. How is this possible? Today, we explore a breakthrough: a solar-powered fridge using phase-change materials to maintain cool temperatures in off-grid conditions. A true game-changer. This innovation keeps vaccines potent and cuts post-harvest waste by 40%, saving farmers up to $1,000 a year, all for just $50. But is it enough? Despite its promise, distribution challenges remain a major hurdle. Can this technology reach the people who need it most? Could off-grid cooling become the future of rural development, or is it just a stopgap solution? Join us as we uncover the truth behind this cooling revolution.